Hey, 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 my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you are here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm making for my family a special pound cake today. We got some sapodillas the other day and I had a couple left over, so I decided to turn them into a pound cake. Oh my word. If you want to see how this is prepared, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I have to say thank you to all of my subscribers right here. To you who are always coming back. You are my MVP. And to the brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. My followers, you're watching, but still haven't made up your mind to subscribe. What are you waiting on? Subscription is free. You only have to subscribe once. Come on, man. Join your Caribbean cousin today. God bless you. To my YouTube family, friends, and followers, guess what I am doing today? I am still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.